Good morning, guys. Today we are going to study about the basics of biotechnology. Biotechnology has been derived from three words. Bios means life, techno means tools, logos means study of. Literally, the study of tools from living things is known as biotechnology. Or we can say that biotechnology is the use of organisms or a component of an organism or other biological system to make a product or process. Many forms of modern biotechnology rely on DNA technology. DNA technology is the sequencing, analysis, and cutting and pasting of DNA. There are two types of biotechnology: traditional biotechnology and modern biotechnology. Traditional biotechnology refers to the traditional techniques of using living organisms to yield new products or modify foods or other useful products for human use. Examples of early biotechnology include recombinant DNA techniques, tissue culture, and mutagenesis. Breeding animals and crops to make cheese, yogurt, bread, beer, and wine. Microorganisms are used to produce various products, such as enzymes. Modern biotechnology is used in day to day life. The diversity of microorganisms and development of genetics expanded the potential of traditional biotech and ultimately led to the development of modern biotechnology. Examples of biotechnology includes DNA profiling, genome analysis, transgenesis, DNA cloning, tissue engineering, etc. Modern biotechnology techniques are used in many areas such as food, agriculture, forestry, healthcare, environment, minerals, and industrial process. There are various branches of biotechnology. These are bioinformatics, genomics, or we can say proteomics, plant agriculture, or we can say crop improvement, genetic engineering, diagnostic, fermentation technology, food innovation, energy and environment management, animal agriculture, and healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Blue biotechnology is the important branch of biotechnology. This branch of biotechnology helps to control the marine organisms. As the name states, blue means water and waterborne organisms. It is a process which has to do with marine or underwater environment. The use of this technology is very rare. Blue biotechnology is used to protect the marine organism from harmful diseases. Bioinformatics is also known as computational biology. Bioinformatics is the combination of computer and biotechnology. It helps in finding the analysis of data related to the biotechnology. It is used for various purposes like drugs for the development of medicines. It is also used to improve the fertility of crops and plants and also for pest, drought, and it is resistant to diseases. Green biotechnology is also known as agriculture biotechnology. This term is basically used in the agriculture sector with the help of the process called the micropropagation, which helps in selecting the right quality of plants and crops. Also with the help of transgenic plants, this design of transgenic plants helps to grow in a specified environment with the help of certain chemicals. White biotechnology is also called and known by the name industry biotechnology. This kind of biotechnology is used and applied in industries and its processes. The various uses of this biotechnology includes biopolymers, plastics, substitutes, new inventions of vehicle parts and fuels for the vehicles, invention of fibers for the clothing industry. It is also involved in developing new chemicals and the production process. There are numerous applications of biotechnology which we are going to study. Biotechnology's applications in medicine. The use of biotechnology in medicine is known as medicinal biotechnology. This helps in the formation of genetically modified insulin known as humulin. This helps in treatment of large number of diabetes patients. Biotechnology has given rise to a technique known as gene therapy. Gene therapy is a technique to remove genetic defect in embryo or child. This technique involves transfer of a normal gene that works over non-functional genes. Transgenic animals. Animals that have their DNA manipulated are known as transgenic animals. For example, rats, rabbits, pigs, sheep, etc. These animals helps to understand how genes are regulated and how they help in development of animals. It helps to study how genes are responsible for the development of various diseases. Transgenic animals have foreign gene inserted deliberately into their genome. These foreign gene is inserted into pronuclei of the fertilized egg to make a transgenic animal. Biotechnology in diagnosis. It helps in disease diagnosis by various techniques such as ELISA, PCR, etc. ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, is based on antigen and antibody reaction to detect different diseases. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, is technique to amplify specific DNA segment. This helps to detect HIV in AIDS patient. Next is biotechnology in production of antibiotics. Plants are used to develop antibiotics for humans as well as for animal. It helps in production of antibiotics, vaccines and artificial hormones for hormone therapy. Edible vaccines are mucosal targeted vaccines which causes stimulation of both systematic and mucosal immune response. Edible vaccines hold great promises as a cost effective, easy to administer, easy to store and fail safe, readily acceptable vaccine delivery system, especially for the poor developing countries. If you like my video,